Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, please welcome. If this is not your first time, please thanks for tuning in back again. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share our videos. Today I'll be showing you a simple rolling gele style for a beginner. This is a beginner friendly tutorial. Start by making your base pleat. And the ratio for this gele should be 50-50. The ratio for this gele should be 50-50. 50 on the left, 50 on the right. So after making your base pleat, trace your pleat all the way to the back. For a neat base pleat, you have to trace all your pleat to the back and then cross. So after you are done arranging your base pleat, you roll one end of the gele to the middle and then pin it down and roll the other side of the gele or of the material to the center and then pin that one too down. So after pinning the other side down, you start making your flower with the remaining material in the middle of the gele. Just watch how I'm doing it. This is an easy way to make your flower. So after arranging and adjusting the flower to our liking, this is the final look in the middle. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share and like our videos. So we will be dropping new videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays. Thank you. Bye.